ABRO PC310 Superior Performance Polishing Compound is specially formulated with high-tech abrasives to help restore the shine to dull, oxidized finishes. PC310 easily removes swirls and fine surface scratches. It also smooths the finish while producing a reflective shine to the surface. Before use, thoroughly wash your car to remove surface dirt. Then apply a small amount of compound on a damp, non-abrasive cloth. Apply gently with even back and forth strokes. Work the compound in without letting it dry, carefully applying heavier pressure if needed. Use lighter and lighter pressure until the product is gone. Then continue to buff with another clean cloth to achieve your desired results. Please read all the directions and safety precautions on the can. ABRO PC310 Polishing Compound, another quality product from ABRO, a trusted name worldwide.